Hi warriors, this is Jaylyn, my legal warrior, and today's segment is going to be about income and expense declarations post-judgment. So what does that mean? When you are post-judgment, that means that you have, in fact, a judgment in your case. That's not limited to divorce or legal separation. That could be the paternity case, it can be a custody and visitation case, any case that you have where it led to a judgment, then that means you can request to receive a completed FL-150, which is the income and expense declaration. And you can do this without a court order, without a hearing actually being on calendar. And the purpose for this is, let's say you wanted to modify spousal support or child support, but you're not entirely sure what the financial circumstance is of the other party. And you don't want to spend the time and resources to prepare and file to modify child support and spousal support. So instead, once a year, you serve the other party a request for an income and expense declaration. So what does that form look like? This is the FL-396 form, and it tells you exactly what you need to do to complete this, and the other party does in fact have 30 to 35 days for them to provide you a completed income and expense to you. So again, a hearing does not need to be on calendar. You just wanted to collect some information from the other party as to strategize whether you should modify child support and spousal support. And this is a perfect time, especially during COVID-19, to be able to ask the other party to present an income and expense declaration, to serve a completed income and expense declaration. Because remember, with these income and expense declarations, they have to include their profit and loss statements if they're self-employed, they have to include their federal tax returns, and they have to include their paycheck stubs. If the ex-spouse or the other parent is stating that they have lost their job due to COVID-19 and they're not able to abide by the child custody and visitation orders, they're not able to abide by the child support orders, and they're left not knowing exactly what to do, then you can verify that information with a request for an income and expense declaration. This could just be the start, because there's significantly more steps that you can actually take to obtain those financial records, especially if you do have a case number that doesn't require you asking permission from the court. And it definitely doesn't require you waiting for the court to open in order for you to proceed in your matter. This is the perfect time because we all are staying at home, hopefully. You may not be going to work, you're actually just working from home, or if you are going to work, then you are an essential employee. This is the perfect time to obtain that information if you wanted to modify child support and spouse support. And this is, of course, going to be dependent on what your judgment states in regards to child support and spouse support. Because if there's terminology in there that says it's not modifiable, then using this request for an income and expense declaration may not be to your best advantage, right? Well, we hope, warriors, that you share this, and we're going to thank you in advance for subscribing to our channel. You never know who might actually be in need of this sort of information during COVID-19. Thank you, warriors, and we hope that you are staying safe.